You've written something like this more times than you actually care to admit, and it works, sure, but it's not great. Hey everyone, this is Tech with Benham, and today I'll show you a better way to have smarter spreadsheets without actually making your work harder than it should be. Let's get started. When you use traditional cell references like C1, A10, B4, just like I said earlier, it works, but you're basically locking yourself into guessing games. For instance, look at this spreadsheet right here. Everything looks good with it, right? Well, not until I asked you where this number came from, or this one right here. You'll probably start looking out for the columns. Good, but you don't have to look. Let me show you how you fix that. In fact, let us make it easier together. Start by converting your data into a table. To do that, just click anywhere inside it, hit Ctrl T, and that's it. Excel turns those columns into named fields, so instead of this, you're going to be typing this. Now the formula speaks human. Even when you look at this a year later, you can instantly tell what's happening. That's what structured references do. And by the way, this ain't about being fancy. Okay, maybe a little, but with structured reference, you get clear formulas that explain themselves. I know that may not sound like a big deal, but it's a win if you're looking to collaborate with anyone, because everybody simply understands your logic. Even if you were to change one of the table columns, all related references would automatically update. One tip you didn't expect though is, compared to direct references, structured references actually use less of your computer's memory, so it's one of the many ways to speed up your Excel spreadsheets. I left you a link in the description with 2 practice files that are used in this video. One's using the old school method, plain references, the other structured references inside a table. Open both side by side, you'll know exactly which one you want to keep using. Try this out today and let us know how it works out for you. And hey, we've got so much in stock for you. Table logic, drop downs, simply subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss out. This is Tech with Benham. See you in the next one.